What Peter actually asked me was, hey, Luis, can I take a heat shrink tube, throw it over this, heat it up so that I can prevent this from moving on this, avoiding all of the sound and information and, like distortion that it's causing when it rotates, because the way that Peter actually likes to use it is that he puts this on his hip and then the XLR cable connected to it. So with that being said, as soon as he presented this problem to me, right away I saw that there was threads. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that here. Right at the end of the headphone jack, 3.5. See if I can get a good shot there. There are threads, and the same on the headphone jack here. The thing is that the threads are not the same. So what we're gonna do is, like, right away my mind went to 3D printing. And as soon as my mind went there, I was like, okay, I can easily 3D print a little piece that's gonna live in between both of these and connect them and have them solid. So I grabbed the microphone and the XLR adapter, he had a spare, and I brought them with me so that we can do this. Now, I already have the game plan, and I'm just gonna show you how I will actually take care of this simple problem. But the key thing is that I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for the novice to actually start creating their own 3D designs so that they can be 3D printed, and how I utilize the most difficult part of this process, and I hand that over to my chat GPTs, right? And I give them the hard work so that it makes it easier for me. I'm just gonna give you a demonstration of the way my mind works and how I will do this task easily. I'm gonna try to do my best to actually have this all done and maybe even sent to the printer by the time that we're done with today's live streams. If you like this clip, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of my latest uploads and my weekly live stream. I've been going live every single Saturday for over 5 years, so I would love to hang out with you. Can't wait to see you there.